How to delete a TikTok account from Android or iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can permanently delete a TikTok account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video. So now to delete your TikTok account, simply go and open up the TikTok app from your device, and from the home page go and tap on this profile button at the bottom right here. Now once you're here inside your TikTok profile, you just need to tap on this three-dot line at the top right, and then go and tap on settings and privacy. And once you're here, go ahead and tap on account, and then simply go and tap on deactivate or delete account at the bottom right here. And once you tap on this one, it's going to quickly give you this option. So just need to select the last option, delete account permanently. And from this page, you can select a reason why you're deleting your account. I'm not going to do this one. I'm going to tap on skip at the top right. Well, so he'll get to see it's showing you download your TikTok data. So if you have an important data or videos, whatever you have, you can request a download, because deleting your account will be deleted everything that you have with your account, including your photos, videos, and everything. So you can request a download. I'm not going to do this one. I'm going to check mark this one and tap on continue. And he'll get to see once you delete your account, it will be deactivated for 30 days, and after that it will be permanently deleted. So if you change your mind within these 30 days, you can reactivate your account again. So I'm going to tap on continue, and once you do that, it's going to either ask you to enter your TikTok password, or it's going to send a verification code through your number. I already entered the verification code right here, and tap on delete account and tap on delete, and your account will be permanently deleted. He'll get to see my previous account was deleted. This is how we can delete a TikTok account. I hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.